Seedance 2 has been taking over the AI space over the past couple of weeks, with its super high detailed video generation that got you questioning what's real and what's AI. So you might be wondering, where can I get my hands on Seedance 2? Well, what if I told you that there's a website that basically has all the AI tools, including Seedance 2, and we'll be trying them out in this video. So make sure you like and subscribe and join my Discord, link in the bio. Now, right here is the AI tool I've been talking about. And if you take a much closer look at the screen, you'll see that this platform handles incredibly realistic video and image generation. Just looking at the examples on screen, you can see exactly how lifelike these results are. Honestly, it is getting to the point where you almost can't even tell that some of these are AI generated. This tool is basically a central hub for every top-tier model out there, whether you're looking for realism, high-quality animation, or basically anything else you want to accomplish with image and video generation. It is all right here in this one interface. If you scroll down a bit, you'll notice they have the specially released Seedance tool available, which you can access directly within the platform. The generations you get from this specific model are truly astonishing and stand out in terms of quality. When you look closely, you can really see how lifelike every single detail feels. But this tool doesn't just handle Seedance. If you keep scrolling, you'll see it can generate standard images, full videos, and it even has advanced motion control built right in, which is a fantastic feature for creators. Looking back up toward the top, you'll see a wide variety of options for image generation. We've got Nano Banana Pro right here, along with Seedream 5, and plenty of others to explore. There are also powerful in-paint features, Drop Edit, and Z-Image. It really is a comprehensive hub that brings all of these different AI capabilities together on a single website, allowing you to switch between different styles and workflows without ever having to leave the page. If you hover over the video section, you'll see once again that you have the power to create high-end video using several different models. They've integrated things like Kling 3, Sora 2, and even Google Veo 3.1, all into this one tool, and they all perform exceptionally well. In just a moment, we're going to be testing out the general capabilities of the platform before we dive into Seedance 2, which is the main focus of today's video. But first, let's see what the image generation can do. If you click right here, it loads up this clean interface. Once again, you have a huge variety of models to choose from. For this example, I'll go with a classic prompt, a realistic image of a woman on a sidewalk. As per usual, I'm going to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and leave the resolution at the default settings. We hit generate, and look at that, the image is ready in almost no time at all. Taking a closer look at the result, the realism is incredible. There is no weird morphing and no strange distortions anywhere in the frame. The textures on the clothes look very lifelike, and even the way the sun reflects off the surfaces looks completely natural. Honestly, if I hadn't just generated this myself, I wouldn't be able to tell it was AI. From here, you can further enhance the image or use the imprint feature to make specific changes. I'm just going to go ahead and download this one for now. Now, let's move on to the main reason we're here, Seedance 2. If you hover over the video section again, you'll see Seedance 2 is available right there. Just click on it and you'll be brought over to this specific interface. You can see Seedance 2 is already selected in the model list, which is what we'll be using for the rest of the video. You have the option to add a reference image to guide your video generation, or just choose a preset to get started. Everything is laid out very clearly for you. You can also decide whether you want the final video to include audio or stay silent. I'm going to leave the audio enabled for this test. We can actually take the duration all the way up to 15 seconds, but for the sake of time, I'll keep it at 8 seconds and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. With the quality at 720p, I'll type in a simple prompt, a realistic video of a woman walking on the street. Just like that, you can double check your settings, make sure everything is exactly how you want it, and hit generate. This video it generated is honestly astonishing. The movement is so fluid, there's no weirdness in the physics, and it adhered to the prompt perfectly. It looks really, really good. That is the kind of power Seedance 2 brings to this platform. Let's try another one to see if it can stay consistent. I'll clear this prompt and say, a realistic video of a dog running in a park. I'll keep all the settings the same and hit generate. And here is what it produced for us, truly astonishing how lifelike the movement is. It followed the instructions perfectly, showing the dog running through the park with great detail in the fur and the environment. I'm going to download this straight to my device as well. Now, let's do one last test with Seedance 2. I'll clear the field and enter a realistic video of a woman with pink hair brushing her teeth in the bathroom. I want to see how well the model handles specific details like pink hair in a close-up setting. Let's click generate and look at this result. This is truly good. This is what I got using Seedance 2 on Higgsfield AI, and it is incredibly high quality. The skin textures look very natural, and honestly, she looks like a real person. I wouldn't even know this was AI if I saw it elsewhere. I've already got this downloaded from Higgsfield Seedance 2, and that really wraps up our look at what this model can do. I highly recommend you check it out for yourself because the level of control and the quality of the output is just on another level. It is an absolute beast when it comes to video generation. There are already entire series being created that are powered exclusively by Seedance 2, and creators are doing some amazing things with it. You can access it through Higgsfield AI. I've got the link right here on the screen, and I'll also put it in my bio and the comments below. Definitely make sure to check it out and see what you can create. As you can see, this thing is actually insane. The level of control you get is just on a different level. Now, real quick, before you go try this yourself, Seedance 2 isn't officially available in the US and Japan right now, so if you're in those regions, you might not be able to access it directly yet. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.